heading out of Moab on, or in a 6-seater Kawasaki side-by-side, fully all windows and air conditioning, heating, obviously windshield wiper going. So this is the Colorado River right here next to us. Nellie?
Hi, we're having a blast.
Start of a 5-hour venture.
Just about to Hura Pass, and it's been a pretty good trip so far. It's a little bumpy, but not too bad. We're having a great time, and just thought we'd share our view with you.
We've met a bunch of Jeeps and ATVs and doing the same thing we're doing back here. It was a 15% chance of rain when we left the hotel this morning, and obviously it has rained and it is still sprinkling a little bit, but we see some blue sky, so it's supposed to clear up. We have a 5-hour rental and we're about 1 hour in right now. We came from all the way back down there as far as you can see, kind of a thing.
Off to the right.
Yep, off to the right. I guess people do drive off that, but
Not us.
it's amazing. It's like that all over back in here. I don't know if I got it on video earlier, but the Colorado River is not too far behind where we're at, so we're right in the river valley. So here's kind of some of the view as we're going. Obviously the trail is, but down in that canyon. Kawasaki Ridge that we're in. I don't know if it's 1,000 or what size it is, but it's 6-passenger and it's full windows, air conditioning, heating. So yeah, this is on a day like today when it's raining pretty good. We're glad we're in this.
Degrees.
Yeah, 52 degrees something. It's been great out here in Moab. Our whole vacation, it's been nice. Just under 70 or 70 degrees, but today was a cool one and rainy, so we're glad to be doing something a little different.
And hiking. We've been going about an hour, and they said that there is a private residence out here. I don't know how they built a place out here, but got things out here. But anyway, it should be interesting to see it.
So, I'll back up here if we can get a picture of the sign, Hura Pass.
You want me to hold this
So we're
thing?
right at Hura Pass. There's the sign. And you can see down in front of us those are potash retention ponds, and they say the only reason they're blue is because it evaporates the water off of the potash faster when they're blue.
Yeah.
They dye it blue on purpose. So there's the Colorado River down there.
And they use that to put in fertilizer.
Yep. So we're getting a little bit of blue sky here. Yep. Down. Yeah, there you go.
Starting to lose the rain, hopefully, and yeah.
You can see some campers and an RVer kind of thing down there. Yep, right there and right there. Yep, it's pretty cool. So we're somewhere near, I don't know,
For a pass.
20 miles out, I suppose, 18 miles from where we started. So, yeah, cool. Here we go. More on.
Okay, we just went past Chicken Corners and now we're heading back into town. This is what the terrain looks like that we're going on. It's a little rough, not too bad, but it's enough. Glad we brought a utility vehicle out here. It's been a lot of fun. We stopped in
it is like this, 20 mile an hour almost, then it does obviously get sketchy in places, but
A little bit of part where you can go a little faster, have a little more fun. And then you get to these kinds of spots.
switchbacks and
We just wanted to share again what it looks like. It's definitely want some kind of a utility vehicle to get out here.
yeah, this is really nice. We didn't say it earlier. It's still raining, so it's nice to have an interior cab with the hot and cold heat and air conditioning. So yeah, it's worked out nice. A little extra money to get this big